Most wood chippers are designed for professional use. They are heavy, expensive, and overkill for the average homeowner trying to clean up their property after storm season. What you need is a machine that starts reliably, chips efficiently, and does not require a mechanical engineering degree to operate. Here are the 5 best wood chippers for homeowners in 2026. Links are in the description. Number 5. Westinghouse Heavy Duty Gas Powered 3-inch, $629. Westinghouse is a brand homeowners trust, and this chipper delivers on that reputation. 3-in-1 design, chip, shred, and mulch, with a 24.6-gallon collection bag that means fewer trips to empty it. 3-inch capacity handles everything a typical residential property throws at it. 3 reviews so far, but the brand quality speaks louder than the review count on a newer listing. Number 4. Built Hard 7.5 horsepower, $619, 242 reviews at 4.0 stars. This is a machine thousands of homeowners have already bought and rated positively. 2-in-1 chipper and shredder, 7.5 horsepower engine, collection bag included. It fires up easily, handles 3-inch branches without drama, and the price is honest for what you get. One of the most dependable choices in this category for residential use. Number 3. Super Handy Mini Wood Chipper, 7 horsepower, $549. Super Handy built this machine specifically with the homeowner in mind. Compact enough to store in a standard garage, light enough to move without a tractor, powerful enough to chip 3-inch branches all afternoon. 7 horsepower, heavy-duty design, and a footprint that will not take over your entire shed. If storage space is a concern, and for most homeowners it is, this machine deserves serious consideration. Before the top 2, new wood chipper comparisons every week. Subscribe so you do not miss them. Number 2. F-Cut C30 Light 7 horsepower, $519, 405 reviews at 4.2 stars. The C30 Lite is the benchmark homeowner chipper. 7 horsepower, reliable gas engine, 1-year warranty, and a build quality that holds up after years of seasonal use. It is not the cheapest option on this list, but it earns its price with consistency. Starts well, chips well, lasts well. Simple as that. Number 1. Landworks Super Heavy Duty 7 horsepower, $571, 792 reviews at 4.2 stars. This is the homeowner chipper that more people have bought, used, and rated positively than anything else in this category. 3-in-1 functionality, compact rotor assembly, proven engine. The word super heavy duty in the name is not marketing. Owners consistently report this machine holds up season after season without major issues. Best overall pick for residential use. Link is in the description below. Top 5. Best wood chippers for homeowners of 2026. All links below. See you in the next video.